Maybe you saw one of our ads online, a spark of hope igniting the dream of home ownership. We're here to make that dream a reality. Through convenient online channels like Facebook Messenger, you can easily connect with one of us. We even have informative YouTube videos showcasing all we have to offer. With a click, you can explore the incredible communities offered by DMCI Homes. We understand the unique challenges of being an OFW, and we're here to answer your questions and guide you every step of the way. No matter your location, we can bring the home search directly to you. Through virtual consultations, we can tailor our approach to your needs and preferences. Imagine taking a tour of your dream home from the comfort of your living room abroad. We offer a variety of ways to connect: online inquiries, virtual tours, in-person visits. Our goal is to make the home search experience convenient and comfortable for you. We believe everyone deserves a place to call home, regardless of distance. Seeing the joy in our clients' faces is what truly motivates us. Your DMCI Homes in-house Sapphire sales team is here for you. Reach out today and let's start building your future together.
Summer's in full swing, and it's the perfect time to invest in your dream DMCI home. Get ready to explore stunning DMCI projects with sizzling summer promos you won't want to miss. We're talking cool communities, stylish spaces, and incredible deals to make your summer unforgettable. Stay tuned as we dive into the perfect place for you to beat the heat and own your dream home.
Today's video is specifically for all our amazing overseas Filipino workers out there. We know that coming home after a long contract is always a special feeling, but finding the perfect place to stay, especially near the airport for those quick layovers, can be stressful. Well, worry no more, because in this video, we'll be showcasing 3 fantastic projects by DMCI Homes that are all conveniently located near Ninoy Aquino International Airport, making your arrival and departure a breeze. First off, we'll be showcasing Mulberry Place Phase 2, which is located in the Acacia Estates, Taguig City. Second, we'll be showing you the Atherton, which is located in Parañaque City. And lastly, we will be showcasing the Kai Garden Residences in Mandaluyong City. Stay tuned as my colleagues will be presenting shortly.
Welcome to Mulberry Place, a thoughtfully designed community by DMCI Homes. Located inside the Acacia Estates, Taguig City, Mulberry Place offers the perfect blend of convenience and tranquility. Situated just beside the Acacia Town Center and minutes away from major CBDs and key places. Discover the added amenities including basketball court, kiddie pool, picnic area, and viewing deck, perfect for leisure and recreation. Explore the newly launched Paisley Building, offering up to 6 floors of modern and spacious living. Experience luxury living at Shantung Building with up to 18 floors of stylish and comfortable units. Enjoy panoramic views from roof deck and sky promenade, providing a perfect escape from bustling city. Stay active and productive with amenities such as the co-working space, play and fitness area, and sky lounge. Discover the serene lifestyle and modern amenities that Mulberry Place by DMCI Homes offers. It's the perfect place to call home.
Hello, this is MC from Sapphire Team. Let me give you the promo quotation for Mulberry Place. For 12% down payment in 46 months, you get 1% discount. 15% down payment in 46 months, you get 2% discount. And for 20% down payment in 46 months, you get 3% discount. Let's take a sample available 2-bedroom unit at 67 square meters. Following the promo term of 15% down payment over 46 months, list price of 9,462,000 pesos is deducted of 189,240 pesos discount. 15% down payment less reservation fee of 20,000 pesos over 46 months is 29,802.48 per month, which is until Feb 2028. Balance of 85% is through bank financing, which all major banks are accredited partners. Let's take another sample available unit, which is a 3-bedroom with 85 square meters. Same term of 15% down payment over 46 months. List price of 11,908,000 will get discount of 238,160 pesos. 15% down payment less reservation fee of 20,000 pesos over 46 months is 37,619 pesos per month. Remember to contact any of us to get an updated promo or standard quotations.
Hi, I'm Kim, your Condo Realtor PH, and today, I'll delve into the project brief and amenities of the Atherton. The Atherton by DMCI Homes is a premier condominium development situated in the vibrant city of Parañaque. Located along Dr. A. Santos Avenue, the Atherton enjoys excellent connectivity to major roads, commercial establishments, educational institutions, and healthcare facilities. The development boasts contemporary architectural design, creating a visually stunning and aesthetically pleasing living space. Residents can enjoy leisurely swims and relax by the poolside, offering a perfect way to unwind and beat the heat. A fully equipped gymnasium allows residents to maintain an active and healthy lifestyle without leaving the comfort of their home. With its prime location, modern amenities, and commitment to quality, the Atherton by DMCI Homes offers an unparalleled residential experience in Parañaque City. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or an investor, the Atherton provides the perfect setting for a fulfilling and vibrant lifestyle.
Here's the computation for the Atherton. For 2-bedroom units at 56 square meters, total contract price of 6,661,000, get a 199,830 peso discount, and with a 12% down payment of 775,000 net down payment, pay your down payment in monthly installment for as low as 20,981.68 monthly. For 3-bedroom units at 90.5 square meters, total contract price of 10,253,000, get a 307,590 peso discount, and with a 12% down payment of 1,193,000 net down payment, pay your down payment in monthly installment for as low as 32,000 monthly.
Welcome to Cairo Garden Residence, where urban living meets tranquil oasis, featuring 3 high-rise buildings, 2 of which, the Sugi and Icho buildings, are now ready for occupancy, while the third, the Hinoki building, is scheduled for turnover starting this year. Situated on a sprawling 17,082 square meters in the heart of Metro Manila's Mandaluyong City, Kai Garden Residence offers a harmonious blend of convenience and relaxation. Enjoy easy access to central business districts such as Robinson's, Pioneer Business, Rockwell, Ortigas, and Ayala, all just 20 to 25 minutes away. Plus, shopping malls are within reach, only 5 to 18 minutes from the project, surrounded by prestigious schools and churches. At Kai Garden Residences, residents are embraced by lush landscapes and serene surroundings, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. With its Japanese-inspired design, every corner exudes a sense of zen, creating a tranquil atmosphere for all who call it home.
Here is a sample computation of a 52.5 square meter 2-bedroom unit in Kai Garden Residences, Hinoki Building. The total contract price is 7,913,000 pesos. The net down payment is now 929,560 pesos. It will then be divided into 36 months, amounting to 25,821 pesos and 11 centavos. That will be paid from May 2024 to April 2027. The 88% balance can be paid by cash, enroll to bank financing or in-house financing that will commence on May 2027.